She tells him, he becomes worried, actually goes before a court and says she needs to have a mental, psychological evaluation.
Correct.
Did you go with her to that evaluation?
I did.
And what was that like?
They received her, and she said, oh, she passed with flying colors, and she got out quickly, and I waited on the outside for her. And then Tylee is actually the one that picked us up from there.
And when you say passed with flying colors, do you know what they did? Was it just an exam where she filled out a questionnaire, or she met with a doctor?
They went in the back room and they just talked to her about all kinds of stuff and asked her all kinds of questions. She didn't tell me in detail all the things I probably didn't want to know, but she seemed that she wasn't evaluated as mentally ill. So they said that she's like, oh, you're fine. We know that you're not mentally ill. I mean, that's what she told me that they said to her. So. Do
you think she was honest with them in her religious beliefs, or did she lie and give them the answers they wanted to hear?
I don't know. I don't know what they asked her. I mean, I didn't. I should have asked her that, but I didn't.
So she gets out of there, and is that when the whole incident with her purse happened?
Shortly after.